Tobery, it's your boy Moski, and today I will be teaching y'all about protection. Yeah, I said it. A lot of y'all be out there cramming and raw dogging and some more shit.
Hey,
What's up with Blood?
it's Blood here. Y'all probably like, that boy trying to teach us how to crack? That boy trying to teach us how to bust down? No.
It ain't that type of party. I'm not a freak boy.
Definitely.
Or am I? But
Son.
nah, today we will be talking about the protection of shoe soles. I will be teaching y'all how to apply these sole shields on your Grails. And the sneaker of choice today is nothing other than the Ferrari 14s. I gotta keep these butter. I definitely gotta keep these butter because these motherfuckers sold out so goddamn quick. So we gotta keep these intact. You know what I'm saying? I already sprayed them up with suede protectant, you know? But once I put this sole shield on there, these will be very wearable. Y'all like, you can wear them now. Yeah, sure I could, but we don't know when the next time these is coming out, and I don't want to pay that high resale for these, so I'm about to apply a sole shield. I only apply sole shields on important ass shoes, like importante shoes, you know what I'm saying? Like, what, for example, Ferrari 14s, metallic 5s, shit of that nature, you know what I'm saying? So, if you're wondering, no, I don't apply these on every single shoe on my collection. Let's get into this shit. The tools that you will need for your application is, of course, sole shields, shoes, Sharpie, scissors, alcohol wipes.
This is the main tool of application. Definitely gonna need this to get jiggy.
You feel me?
And of course, the heat gun. Very, very first step before you get to doing all the nitty and gritty is to prep the soles of your shoe. Either, clean it up with some premium shoe cleaner, and then after that, hit it with the alcohol wipe. You feel me? So, there goes my alcohol pad. Damn. This shit hella small. Shoeinator. Jesus. What we gonna do with this? Alright. So, gotta hit that sole up. This helps remove all the dirt from the shoe. I mean, I haven't even worn these, but this is gonna help the sole stick. So, first, hit it with the alcohol wipes. Or, I mean, you could clean it first and then hit it with the alcohol wipes. Or if they're brand new shoes, you could just get into straight hitting it with the alcohol wipes. You could kind of compare putting on sole shields to your soles of your shoes to like putting on a tempered glass on your smartphone. I know y'all got an iPhone. If you a dummy if you don't protect the screen, because if it shatters, it's done for you. It's donezo. You are cooked. You're gonna have to come up with that chili. But yeah, anyways, we're not gonna get into all that. Yeah. Sole shields, applying that, and the phone shit is really similar. Alright, so first you're gonna start off by tracing the shoe. Then you cut the sole shields out. There we go. Okay, so boom. I got the protective soles cut out. Now it's time to get to some serious business. You feel me? Okay, so that was step 2. Step 3 is to heat and apply the protective soles. But before we do that, we have to heat the grippy side for about 10 to 15 seconds, and this just makes the sole a little bit more flexible, and it makes it stick a little bit better. Alright, so we're gonna do this one at a time. Sorry y'all for the noise, it's time to get to it. Alright. Start off by hitting it with the heat for 10 to 15 seconds. We just gonna do one shoe at a time. Boom. That should be good. Alright. Which one is this again? Alright. This is the right shoe. Alright. Pull it off. Pull this thing off. What's going on here? It don't even come off, bro. What the helly? Bruh. Alright. So I'm finally getting that thing off. There it go. Golly. Taking ice ages, bruh. I'm gonna try and give y'all the view right here. Alright. So we got the sole. It's off there. And then we're gonna apply it from heel to toe. Like so. You gotta make sure that shit's on the righteous though. Alright, let me just not look at the camera for 1 second. Make sure I get sitchy over here. Alright, got it on. There we go. Damn. Just kind of feel around, make sure it goes on correctly. Gonna have to put some more heat to it. Saying, and it's good. This is the right foot of the Ferrari 14s. Yeah. Just get the edges up first. Get the edges up. It's good. Alright, sorry for the noise. Getting to it though. Starting to mold. I had to do it from this view, y'all, because I don't know. I didn't know how else to do it. But this is working, I guess. Y'all can see what's going on, right? I was going at point of view, but this is still more comfortable. Alright, put some edges up. Let that down. Bam. Let's see. Let's take a look. Next step is to seal the edges up, bro. Feel me? Because that's how you make sure, like, the application of the sole is molded. It comes from the sole, so. As such, it's looking pretty deep. Looking pretty decent. Right? Pretty decent. Bam. So now, the right foot of the Ferrari has a protective shield, and the left one still needs to be done. We're going to get straight to it, though. Feel me? We're going to finish off the left one. I might just do this left foot point of view for y'all. We're going to try it that way this time. Since I can get it facing me. Stay still. There you go. Alright. Hopefully I don't fuck it up. We got the little sole. Pulling it off. Yeah. Alright. So first start from the heel. Alright, y'all see the shoe. Start from the heel. Hard to do point of view, y'all. I'm trying to get it right for y'all. Cause y'all my dogs. Hold on. Is that on good? There we go. Make this as realistic as possible. You feel me? Okay. Boom. Ooh, just a little bit. Ooh, why didn't y'all tell me? It's a little bit crooked. There we go. Bit better now. I think. Get over that way. Flattening out. Flattening. Alright. Boom. Got that. Gotta hit it with some heat now. But first, like the tuck and roll them edges. Damn. You gotta melt it a little bit though. Alright, here comes the noise, y'all. Let's hold it. There we go. There we go. Come on with it. Come on with it. Yeah. Alright, we getting straight to it now. We getting straight to business. Getting jiggy. Getting real jiggy. I like that. Alright. Alright, let's turn off that heat a little bit. See if we could. Press it down. Hold on. Boom. Alright. Looking smooth. Alright. Just hold it. All my groovies and everything to be sturdy. Can't lie. Alright. Now we can hit the edges again with a little heat. I damn near should have just done the whole thing like that. This way. This is good, whatever. Yeah. It's coming out good though, y'all. Damn, that should be good, I can't lie. That should be good. There we have it, y'all. That's how you put protective shields on your important shoes. Let me know in the comments, y'all, if y'all will be putting shields on some of your Grail shoes that you really care about and that you want to keep in very good condition. Let me know in the comments. And there it is, the Ferrari 14s. And that's it, y'all. And always remember, y'all, be the best you can be. Better yourself. Invest in yourself. Dress yourself. You big. And we gonna end it like that.